In this example, I'm going to show you how to use CramerRule, if applicable, to solve a system. So here the example we have 3x minus 2y equal to 4 and 6x plus y equal to 13. Solution. First thing, we need to find the determinant d of coefficients of the variables. So we have 3 here is the coefficient of x, 6 here also the coefficient of x. So have x, the coefficient of x in one column. And then we have a minus 2 is the coefficient of y, and 1 here, there's an invisible 1 is the coefficient of y, and we put it in a second column. So the first column is the x coefficient, the second column will be y coefficient, and now we can solve for determinant. I take 3 times 1 is 3 minus, take minus 2 times 6. So we have 3 plus 12 equal to 15. Because the determinant d is not 0, then we can use the CramerRule. Okay? And the rule is this. We say that the solution for x will be the value of x will be dx over d. Now, d is determinant d that we had earlier, which is equal to 15. Now, for the numerator, it's a determinant, and to find that determinant, how you do. Okay, you want to solve for x, this column here, we sort of omit it. So to replace this column, you have to use this constant here, which is 4 the constant on the right hand side of the equation. So which is 4 over 13. And then right here, we on the right hand side, and this next column here, second column will be your y, which is a minus 2, 1. So to solve for x, we actually replace the x coefficient in here by this constant. And then for the y coefficient here, it will stay the same. And then we simplify. So I have 4 times 1 is 4 minus 2 times 13. Over 15. So I have 4 plus 26 over 15. So I have 30 over 15. Therefore, x equal to 2. Now, the solution for y variable will be y equals to d sub y over d. Once again, d is 15. Now, this determines, so in the case here, you have to omit. So go back to our determinant d. So this is our determinant d. You omit the y coefficient, the coefficient of the y variable. So for the first column, you keep the x, which is, what's the x coefficient? Which is 3, 6. Now over here, because we omit the coefficient of y, so we have to replace the constant on the right hand side of the equal sign, which is 4/13. And then we solve for the determinant in the numerator. So I have 15 here. Okay. So I have 3 times 13 minus 4 times 6. So I have 39 minus 24/15. So I must have 5, I have 15 left. So 15/15 is 1. So the solution of our problem would be x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. If you use the order pair to write your answer, should be 2, 1 for your answer.